Hi, I'm Brandon Rockstar Rooks with Rockstar Capital Group. I'm the CEO and founder of our organization, and we are primarily a lending offering that works with our strategic partners out in the Southeast, where we're lending on the dirt.
Hi, my name is Dylan Rooks. I'm the Investor Relations Director for the Rockstar Capital Group. We made it simple for everybody, right? You can be a $1 million investor with us, you can be a $10,000 investor with us, and you're all gonna get treated the same, paid the same. There's no different tiers and different scales of how you're going to be paid on your investment. You just get to be a banking partner with Rockstar, right? So when we lend to our strategic partners, we're just earning interest back into the offering, and that all gets shared between the investors and between the partners. What's great is that on average, our investors are making anywhere from 12 to 17% a year on their money.
Almost all of the profit lies within the dirt itself, and that's from taking it from a raw ground status to fully entitled, permitted, and what we call a paper lot. There's a step that our strategic partners do that it goes one step further, and they'll actually engineer the ground for how many home lots can be put on that parcel or that development, and then they turn around and sell that off to some of the largest national builders in the country.
Hi, my name is Maurice Johnson. I am the CEO and partner of BRD Land and Investment. BRD Land and Investment is a company that acquires and entitles land and to sell to home builders and developers in the southeastern United States. What makes us unique is we focus solely on acquisition and entitlement, and we focus on it at a scale that most people in our space don't do. Where our operations are heavily focused on relationships in our respective markets, we do it at a scale that is currently not seen.
It's a great, very easy, passive, hands-off investment that has a track record, right? We've been performing for the last 7 years now, haven't missed a quarterly payment or distribution to our investors once.
The reason that I do business with Rockstar is because, unlike most of the people I deal with, Rockstar will answer the phone when you call, he'll respond to text messages, emails in a timely fashion. He's always looking out for the people around him. They're more like a family than a bunch of investors that you just go into for more money when the well starts to run dry and you need to raise some. You know, there's a difference between the people that do this for a living and the people that do it because they're passionate about helping bring other people up with them. And that's really what Rockstar does, is they intro you to opportunities and then they take care of you. It's been 5 years, 6 years I've been in with them, and they have never missed a payout to their investors in the time that I've been with them. And you know, that means something when the consistency is there in your investment, because you're investing because you want to make money, and the money's always been there. It's been consistent. They've been easy to deal with. They take care of anybody I send them. So it's not just about me. It's a fund and group that I'm comfortable referring my people to, because it's one thing how you take care of me, but it's another thing entirely on how you take care of the people I send you.
We're filling the need of one of the most needed assets in America, and that's workforce housing. Single family attached and detached homes in that $250,000 to $500,000 price point. We have not been building enough homes in America. The builders can't catch up.
As you've heard, depending on what website or what resource you use, there's a significant housing shortfall in this country. It's not because there is a lack of ability or capital to develop land, to build houses, or to sell houses. There's several. All of our customers, all the national home builders, the large developers across the country can do that very, very well. The unique part is the acquisition and entitlement piece. It's very gray. It takes time, it takes sowing. There's back and forth, and there's a political atmosphere that you have to do. And so you have to have people that can really do that and understand the entire landscape and really specialize and focus on that. And so from our perspective, we felt like, given that is one of the most significant needs within and significant causes of the housing supply shortfall, we have a laser focus in the acquisition and entitlement space, and that's it. And that makes it tough for other people to do that, because it's one where it's people, and processes. And so you have folks that can do it in a specific market very well, but to do it across markets and across geographic footprint, it make it challenging. And that's when we lean on processes, people, infrastructure, and the like.
There's a lot of risk in any investment. Rockstar has truly mitigated that risk by lending to our strategic partners that are in and out of their process at just the dirt level of real estate, right? When we lend on a project that they're working on, we help them go after their acquisition and their entitlement cost to work on a piece of raw ground with a contract, with a seller, to get that piece of ground entitled and sold off to a national home builder. Great part about it is you're not dealing with vertical or horizontal construction and all the hurdles and the risk hurdles that'll come with that.
Never once have I had a distribution that didn't occur. I have invested for the long term because I don't need the income right now. I want the income later, so it's great to see it paying now. And I'm tracking it, and it's meeting the metrics that he promised that it would meet. And so for me, it's proof is in the pudding. The thing I love the most is it is truly passive. I don't need to babysit it. It doesn't take any of my time or effort. It's just me trusting him with money and clients' money and friends and family money, and it just comes through. It's literally passive income. I have invested personally with him, but he's just an amazing man with an incredibly strong network of people. I have referred family to him. I have referred my own investors to him. And I can tell you that the guy is tireless. I wish I had half of his energy, but the ethics and the trust that I have in Brandon is at the highest level. So without any hesitation, I would recommend Brandon in 2 seconds.